want, Gordon, you can go first. I'm not much of a snake guy.
Great. Hey folks, Gordon Page here. I am chasing planes in Greybull, Wyoming, a place I've flown over many, many times. I've always looked down, but I've never had a chance to actually be at the airport to see these airplanes that are behind me. You guys can see out here, there's a lot of stuff going on in Greybull, Wyoming. Back in the day, we had Hawkins and Powers. They were like the firefighting group, and saw them at air shows and all over the country. But today, I'm here with Andy. Andy, want to say hi to everybody?
Hi.
So Andy actually is here to help me today, mostly to avert snake bites in the sagebrush out here. He's saying avoid all that. But the reason I'm here today is I'm actually doing an inspection on a Boeing KC-97, an L model. And that's what we're looking at here today. Andy is helping me not just avert snakes, but Andy, you want to tell us a little bit about what you guys do here at B&G and what might be happening with these KC-97s?
So B&D Industries is a certified repair station. Our forte is heavy structures work. Most of our customers are flying the CASA C212 or the Beech 1900, different variants of the Beech 1900, and we do major inspections and structures repairs for them.
Very cool. So you know a lot about this. He actually warned me before you went in there to look out for the raccoons, not just snakes on the ground, but raccoons are living in some of these big structures, have been sitting out here for a while. What's the craziest thing you've ever seen out here on the field?
Not really anything crazy. We pulled raccoon families out of the C-119 tail booms. A couple of guys took some of the babies home and raised them on bottles and kept them going.
Oh, jeez.
And there has been some rattlesnakes found out here. The main thing you'll find out here is some big bull snakes occasionally, because they go after the birds when they're nesting. They want to eat the babies and the eggs.
Oh, geez.
So
I think we're going to stay with airplanes today and just look at these KC-97. So I'll give you guys a little bit of background on the airplane and also what's going to happen next. But Andy, thanks for being here today to help me out. And stay with us, folks. We'll be chasing planes here in Greybull, Wyoming.
it's a C-97, then you have the KC. Was the engineer on this thing. On the one up there that flew for years. He's a flight mechanic for a year or two, and then he got his engineer ticket.